How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can simply do a scrolling window screen capture with ShareX. So we have the application right here ready to go. And let's say that I'm going to capture this entire web page right here. So I'm going to navigate through the ShareX application, click capture, and then you want to select the scrolling capture. You then want to select your window right here. So in my case, it's going to be this one. And then it will start the scrolling automatically, allowing us to screenshot the entire screen right here. So we could do something like copy it and paste it anywhere you want to. So you could do this for any tab. It will automatically scroll your tab and you should be good to go. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.